Howdy folks, Tom Bubbly here once again. So, within literally an hour of me posting the last video, I'd fixed everything. So if we go to Minape here, we see this. Everything is nice and green again. What's particularly more fascinating is if we go up one level to Simulated Ape, Minape again, and luckily we've got a green. Which means if we look through this, this isn't just the simulation anymore, this is urban, this is draw out, so this is a bunch of stuff from London 1940 as well, even war compiles. So, we've got a bunch of different compilation that still works with the flattened simulation, and all this other stuff works as well. So that's the first step. We've gotten a bunch of stuff flattened. Let's go back, see if it'll do this. Very good, let's just make it a little bit easier. So if we go back here into Menu, and we look at entity, for example, we now see entity completely flattened. Now, does it show any details? It doesn't show any details about the size of the file. As you might imagine, these things are not pretty. So you've got prettiness on one side and just usability on the other side. But anyway, so we've reduced a lot of the stuff down. Toolkit is completely flattened. But I'm maintaining the CI/CD testing as well. So was there anything else in here? I think, well, there was a bunch of stuff, but I flattened it all down. So anyway, that's where we're at currently. I wanted one other bit of news. I've talked to quite a few people, and Python seems to be the way to go. So certainly the first port is going to be in Python, and that's going to be the next step. Firstly, getting the snake case back to camel case, and then getting the Python port in. And probably doing some unification. My hope is I can do some actual unification through this stuff. I mean, entity, I don't even want to dive into it currently, but so much stuff that's just been adapted and put together. I think there's optimization within there as well. So, interesting project. Tom Bubbly here in Las Vegas, Nevada, signing out.